Persuasion requires total commitment because solutions need to be communicated. The recipe for success is to demonstrate expertise and to deliver really good arguments, preferably in sound and pictures. One thing's for sure, a mature concept scores top results. Whatever's being negotiated at the moment, whether it's a detailed examination or global questions, in the end, only one thing can be the most convincing: unconditional quality. NEC InfinityBoard. Create, collaborate, communicate.
Orchestrating a brighter world. NEC.